A lot of people still find Discord very complicated and confusing to use. Yes, because I was in that same shoe too. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll be walking you through how to use Discord on mobile and as a beginner. And I'll try my best to use the best explanations or approach to explain to you or guide you how to use Discord as a beginner. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Now, if you create a new Discord account, you'll get a dashboard or an interface like this. You can see we have here message. By default, it will be on message. And we have this plus icon. A new account will not have this or any server. You can see here OSF, that old school friend. That is a server I created. But a new Discord account will not have a server. You have this plus icon and this message icon. And down here is your profile. Here is add friends. You can tap right here and add friends. Maybe friends that are on Discord too like you. You can come here and share invite link or copy the link and go and paste to the person, or through QR code, and all this is how you can actually add friends. You can also find friends by tapping here and then putting the person's contact and then get started by finding your friend. Then I'll go back. If I come back to the dashboard, you can see here this search icon or this plus icon. You can tap also right here and then come here and search for your friend. For instance, friends that you know are on Discord. I can come here and search for myself. This is my other Discord account that I created just for this video. You can see here Okang, and then tap on it and then maybe send friend request. I can tap right here. You can see I've sent a friend request to this my account. As I said, this account was just created for the sake of this tutorial. I can then go back. If I go back, I'll come back to the dashboard. You can see I've sent friend requests. I will see all my friend lists here on this dashboard. And down here, you see my profile. So this Android phone. And this same method can also be used on iPhone. So down here is my profile. I can tap here and go to my profile, my Discord account profile, and do the setup I want to. I can come here on the settings here and tap here on the settings. You can see I can tap on account and do all the setup I want. I can go back. Also, if I scroll down, you can see right here are necessary setup I can do, all things I can do on my account. I can go back to the dashboard again. Now let's get started. Now, how do you join a server on Discord? Now on Discord, we create servers or join servers. Now a server is like a community or a group of friends where you join and chat with them through voice chat, text chat, or other means. So each server that you join has a particular purpose. For instance, you can see I created this server here, OSF, old school friends. If I tap on this server right here, for instance, if I select it, you can see this is how a server looks. You can see, right? Yeah, so all here are the activities or the chat rooms on the server. Then I can also tap back and go to the message. Now, how do you join a server? To join a server, you can see this plus icon right here. You can just tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here create. Tap on this create here. And then you can come here and tap on this join a server. Tap here. And you come here and put an invite link where the person that created that server has sent to you. So I'll go to my WhatsApp and copy an invite link that I sent to myself through a different server I created. Here's the invite link. I'll tap on it and copy it. If I copy it, I'll go back now to my Discord and then come here and paste the invite link to join that server. As I said, this server I just personally created for the purpose of this tutorial. I'll come here and tap on this join with invite link. It will process. You can see here book here music group. I'll tap on this accept invite. So right now I've joined a different server. You can see here on my Discord dashboard here, I have two servers. I have BMG, Bouquet Music Group, and I have OSF, Old School Friends. You can see. So on Discord, you can create a server or join a server. At least right now, I've shown you how to join a server. In case you want to learn how to create a server, I'll leave my previous video link here so that you can learn how to create a server. Also, same steps. You can see come here and tap on this plus icon here. Tap on this create here. You can see here create my own server. You can tap right here and then create your own server. But I'll go back because I've done video about that before. So right now, if I come back to the dashboard, you can see I have 2 servers. Now, how do you now begin to chat on servers? That's where most people find it confusing. And it's very simple. If you create a new server or join a new server, for instance, this BMG, if I tap on it, here is a server I created on my other Discord account just for this tutorial. Now, if you yourself create a new server, this is how a new server looks. We have 2 channels. We have the text channels and the voice channels. Text channel is where you come here and write text, hi, hello. While voice channel is where you come here and then maybe do voice call, maybe just like that. For instance, you can see a text channel here, general. If I tap here, it brings me here into a space or a room where I can type text, hi, I will send. So anyone who joins this server can come here on this text channel, general, and send hi, hello, or maybe and start to chat. Now, if I go back on the voice channel, you can see here we have general too, but you can change the names of this general to how you want it. You can tap here on this voice channel here, general here, and come here and tap on this join voice. Tap on it. You can see right now you will join a voice. You can tap right here and enable camera. I will tap here and enable video camera. You can see this is me live. So any member that joins this voice channel that enables camera, you will see the person right here. You can see, you can mute the audio of the voice. You can tap here and mute the audio. You can share your screen by tapping right here and all that. Also, while on the voice channel, there's also a provision that allows you to chat. You can see here's a chat icon. You can tap right here and then maybe send a hi while on a voice channel. If I send hi, everyone on this voice chat will find it. Then I can go back. So you can end a voice chat by coming right here and then tap on this icon here and then end a voice chat. So now, to give you an example, on Discord, a server is like a group, just like a WhatsApp group. But just that on WhatsApp group, anyone can just start to chat anything, chat randomly, voice messages, voice note, they will send on the group, text, they will send on the group. The chat will be so disorganized and random. But on Discord here, the chat can be made under categories and channels, like it can be organized. For instance, you can see here is OSF, Old School Friends. Here is a server I created in my last video. If I tap right here on this server here, you can see actually I've organized this server. Now let me show you how Discord works. On a Discord server, if you want to chat, for instance, on this server here, OSF, you can see I have 2 categories and different channels. For instance, if I join this server here, and let me say the admin or the moderator wants to give an announcement, he will come here on this announcement and then type announcement on the server or on the group where everyone can come here and read announcement. Any announcement, you come here and read it. Also, we have rules and regulations. So you can come here and tap on it, and maybe like for instance, the admin can now paste the rules and regulations of this server right here. So that if anyone joins, the person can just come here straight and read rules and regulations. So on Discord, chats are being organized into channels. We use categories and channels to organize chat. For instance, you can see we have 2 categories, welcome info and the main forum. For instance, once you join this server newly, and let me say like you want to read about announcement, you can't come here on birthdays and read announcement, or you can't come here on these reunions and meetings and read announcement. So announcement will be pasted on announcement. Rules and regulations will be pasted on rules and regulations. So every channel has its own purpose where you can go there and read what is there. So the chat are organized into chat rooms. So that is it, guys. It's very simple. I believe this video will help you to understand how to use Discord. Thanks for watching and bye.